welcome to yet another video with me, Karuna. I hope you all are doing good and you all are safe and healthy with your friends and family. So today's video is about dry skin care and dry skin care products. मेरी जो स्किन है वो ड्राई है, सो इट टुक मी लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कौन सा प्रोडक्ट मेरी स्किन के लिए सूटेबल होगा. दैट्स वाई आई एम मेकिंग अ वीडियो सो दैट अगर आपकी स्किन भी ड्राई है एंड इफ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग विथ योर स्किन एंड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट प्रोडक्ट विल सूट योर ड्राई स्किन, देन दिस वीडियो इज फॉर यू. सो लेट्स बिगिन. So the first product which we are going to talk about is face wash. Face wash is very basic product which we use to cleanse our face. Market में जितने भी face washes होते हैं that dries out your skin because that removes the excess oil from your skin and it clears your skin. So that is not meant for dry skin. In that case, I use this Cetaphil. So this is Cetaphil gentle skin cleanse which acts as face wash and can be used whoever has dry skin. So all you have to do is pump one pump in your hand and apply on your face, gently rub and just wash it off with normal water and your skin is going to look supple and squeaky clean. This product is for 515 only and go for Cetaphil anytime and this is absolutely safe. Next product we are going to talk about body wash. So if you are having a dry skin then please आप साबुन यूज ना करें क्योंकि वो आपके स्किन को और भी ड्राई कर देता है. In that case you can always use Dove moisturizer. In that case you can use Dove ka body wash. I use Dove body wash because this is deeply nourishing and it gives you moisture to your skin. It doesn't dries out your skin. So for your body skin, Dove body wash is absolutely safe and good to go. This product is only for 115 and this works for a long time. So you can use Dove product for your body so that it locks the moisture of your body and you feel great. Third product we are going to talk about is moisturizer. So मैं actually Nivea का moisturizer use करती हूँ. This moisturizer is old and gold. It is very thick. Sometimes it makes your skin look oily and makes you look dark. But you can definitely use this for your hands, your legs and your elbows and your knees because these skin is very thick and it dries out and it looks dark. So to moisturize, Nivea product is really good. Nivea cream, and I got this box for 270 rupees. So you can always go for this. These days I am using Nivea का naturally good lotion because इसका जो thickness है वो इस Nivea के क्रीम से थोड़ा सा पतला है and it easily glides and easily you can apply on your hands and legs. So I use this for my body and this has avocado and this is for normal to dry skin. I got this for 300. You don't have to reapply the moisturizer. This is good to go if you once apply after your shower. So yeah, you can use Nivea for your body. So first, second, third. Fourth product we are going to talk about face moisturizer. Obviously these moisturizers, these lotions cannot be used for face because face की skin जो होती है वो अपने बॉडी के स्किन से थोड़ी सी अलग होती है, सेंसिटिव होती है. सो दैट नीड्स एक्स्ट्रा केयर एंड अटेंशन. सो फेस मॉइस्चराइजर के लिए यू शुड ऑलवेज यूज Cetaphil. आई यूज Cetaphil फ्रॉम पास्ट 2-3 years and I really like this product because you don't have to reapply. This product I don't remember but this product is somewhat around 500 or 550 I guess, or maybe 700. This cream repaired my skin in a very good way. So I think so you should also go for Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hygiene Face Lotion. This is also good for hand and foot. So if you don't have to buy for extra hand and foot cream, this will be good for your hands and foot as well. Fifth product we are going to talk about lip care. You guys will be surprised to see, but yes, I use Borolene and Borolene is again old is gold. Borolene is 90 years old product, and I swear by this product because this acts like a lip therapy to you. I apply this in the night, and in the morning it's still there on your lip. It's still fresh on your lips. It's not having any extra or any strong fragrance जो कि आपको irritate करे, but थोड़ा सा greasy है, but that is really good for your lips, especially in winters. Also, if you find any dry patches on your skin, you can apply it. If you see any pimple coming out, you can obviously apply this. This really works, and this is like a therapy to your skin. So Borreline for lips is really good. So, Borreline. And this is merely for what, 70 rupees? Yeah. And the next product we are going to talk about is face oil. तो आप जब सोते हो आप लोशन मॉइस्चराइजर लगा के सोते हो, बट दैट्स ऑल वेन बिकॉज वो सारा निकल जाता है एंड मॉर्निंग में अगेन यू लुक ड्राई एंड डल. So to avoid that, I use Plum ka face oil. This is grapeseed and sea buckthorn glow restore face oil, and it really acts good on your skin. All you have to do is you have to take 2 to 3 drops of this oil in your palm, rub it, and then massage it for like 2 minutes all over your face, and it's still there. When you wake up, your face looks dewy. So this helps to restore the moisturizer, and your face starts looking glowy and dewy in the morning, and this really works. So I think you guys should also try for this Plum product, and this product is for somewhat around 750, and this will last you for like 2 months because barely you have to take 2 to 3 drops of oil and apply it in the night. So Plum. मैंने आपको डेली केयर के बारे में तो बता दिया कि मॉर्निंग से लेकर रात तक व्हाट ऑल प्रोडक्ट्स यू हैव टू यूज फॉर योर फेस, योर बॉडी स्किन, योर फेस स्किन, फॉर योर लिप्स एंड फॉर नाइट एज वेल. बट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट वीकली केयर. सो वीकली केयर इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वीकली प्रोडक्ट में आता है फेस पैक. आई यूज बायोटिक का फेस पैक, and this is for whitening, depigmentation, and to detan your skin. So tan removal face pack. This face pack looks like this. After washing this face pack from your face doesn't look dull. It brightens up, and it has some moisturizing properties which glows your skin. So definitely you can go for this Biotique face pack. This product is for 200. So do try. This is going to brighten your skin, lock the moisture, and also detan your skin. So Biotique. Another weekly skincare I follow is using face sheet mask. Face sheet mask मैं पहले यूज़ करती थी, and I was never impressed by them because मुझे ऐसा लगता था what, it's normal. But no, after using especially Garnier का, I want to mention this, after using Garnier का face mask sheet, I could literally see the magic on my face. So just remove the face sheet mask from this, keep it on your skin for like 15 minutes. After removing, massage the serum on your face and wash it off, and you will see your skin is looking plump and hydrated. And I was so surprised to see. So I understood that obviously this is going to moisture and hydrate your skin. So whenever you're off for a long day or an event or any occasion, or even before applying your makeup, I think so this works wonders, and I swear by this product. इसमें और एक आता है which is blue color packaging hyaluronic acid के साथ, and that works wonder as well. So weekly you must use face sheet mask for your face. This is for only 100 rupees. I mean very reasonable. So yeah guys, give it a try. So guys, मैंने आपको इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बता दिए मॉर्निंग से लेके रात से लेके वीकली की, एंड आई एम श्योर कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगा. ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स विच आई हैव शोन यू आर अंडर 1000 rupees, even you can say under 800 rupees. So these all products are reasonable. Don't go for very expensive products and waste your money. So you can use all these products, you can give it a try. If you like it, continue, and if you don't, you can still experiment. So I hope you like this video, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. And if you like this video, if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment. Bye bye. Annyeong.